Here you have to just concentrate in the every words that is being just discussed in this video. What's our body language is. Hello my young minds. Today I will define what's the meaning of fluency and how a learner can get fluency while he is speaking in English. Do you want to become fluent in English language? But sir, do you know what does the meaning of fluency? I think every learner is unknown to the concept of fluency. Here you have to just concentrate in the every words that is being just discussed in this video so that you may get some tips and tricks. I think fluency has two parts. One, the knowing about the English language, and the second thing is that how the language is being produced by the speaker. Do you know? Being fluent means you can use the English language comfortably and speedily, and you have the better awareness about the English conversation. And whenever you are speaking to the native speakers, the hesitation can never counter you. It means you are speaking the language without the presence of hesitation. I think fluency can also be seen in how you speak. You know, you have better concepts of English vocabulary and there have many grammatical structures in your mind. But whenever you are speaking, you have to pause and you are repeating the same grammatical structures entire your conversation. It means you did not get rigid fluency in your speaking skill. Really, you want to fluent your English speaking, you have to master both the language and the speaking methodology while you are speaking. So I request to my every audience that in this video are being discussed some tips and tricks so that you may improve your English speaking. And I think in this video I will summarize approximately 4 tips, and these 4 tips really mature your English speaking, your creative writing. Whenever you will try to speak, I think these 4 tips really give a lot of energy to your mind so that you can plot English sentences silently and you will throw out in your conversation. The tips number 1 is giving your time per day in reading a lot of English literature book. I think immersion of yourself in reading books awares you about new vocabulary, new grammatical structures and the new things that really mature your mind. And stuffing the minds with new vocabulary, new grammatical structures give a lot of improvement in your conversation. So please do practice and immerse yourself in day-to-day practicing. And the second tip is neglect administration of grammar. You know, whenever you are doing creative writing, you need to care to not making grammatical errors. But do you know, your speaking and grammar can never coordinate to each other. So be remember, while you are speaking, you need not to become afraid of grammatical errors. I think you should plot your English sentences in your mind speedily and throw out to the public. No one will guess how pure you are speaking. So be remember, whenever you are speaking, you need not to care about the grammatical structures and grammatical rules. These 2 factors and these 2 tips that I have already thrown out in front of you is really foundational and practical way to mature English speaking. Just be waited. 2 tips are even remain to discuss in front of you. And so the tips number 3 is requirement of body language. I think even many learners and even many of the legendary have no concepts about the body language. Even you ask them, they could not define what a body language is. I think whenever you are speaking, the movement of your body, the movement of your hand somehow give a lot of energy to speed up your speaking. So whenever you are doing conversation in public and whenever you are speaking with your students, you should always use your body language. I think movements of hand and your body is a tonic to speed up your language skill. And tips number 4, really The tips number 4 is advance, and you can apply these tips to get any skill in this world. Many legendary has already advised to the students and to the new generations that the tips number 4 that I am going to analyze in front of you is really foundational and have a lot of particles of energy. And if you apply these tips in your daily life, you must get your skill to the advancement. And the tips number 4 is habituate yourself reading of different English literature books. Methodology of reading different kinds of book is a main weapon to improve any skill in the world. Not only reading the books awares you about the new vocabulary and new grammatical structures. I think in every aspect you can improve yourself by giving your times in reading different kinds of literature books. So overall, I shall say to the audience that all these things, whether your speaking skill or the skill of mechanics, and every skill in the world can be achieved only due to the tremendous practice. So continue in your job. Bye bye.